Seeing those roads washed out reminds the viewers that this is why we say do not drive through any kind of flooded roads when we do have flash flooding of our own, because you just don't know if that road is still there, if that flash flooding is heavy enough. Thankfully, we don't have to deal with that at all this week. We have a lot of sunny, dry, and as you can see, warm weather. Today managed to get into the low 50s. We've got several more days in the low 50s this week and next week, so an awfully warm end to February. Usually we only see, on average, 2 days in the 50s each February. We're up to 5 now, several more coming this week through the end of the month, so I don't think we'll quite double this number, but we're going to be well above average for days in the 50s, which is why this month has been on track to be one of the warmest Februarys on record. When it comes to precipitation, we're still about an inch above average on the winter as a whole. So this season has seen enough liquid precipitation, but because we've been so warm, we are well below average for snowfall. Have not seen barely any snow at all this month. Rockford so far has reported just flurries. So that is about it, which is a big reason why we're approaching 8 inches less snow than what we typically see during the winter season. So all this warmth means if you love snow, you're not going to see it anytime soon. We still have some chilly air, though, to deal with during the early morning hours. Wind chill down into the low 20s, but look how fast we warm up. We're back close to 50 degrees by lunchtime, and then heading into the afternoon, a couple more degrees warmer than today, mid-50s under a bright sunny sky with some breezy winds. So that spring, almost April-like weather keeps rolling on into tomorrow and beyond. So high pressure is a big reason why. That's going to not only keep us dry and clear, but also keep that warm airflow going through Tuesday and into Wednesday. And note, there are some signs of precipitation on the horizon, but they may stay just to our south. You can see this next incoming weather system probably doesn't make it far north enough to provide any kind of rain. We're going to keep a slight chance for precipitation around Thursday morning, but for the most part, we've got a dry week ahead. We do cool off a little bit, though, at the end of the week. After 3 more days in the 50s, and we almost get to 60 on Wednesday, another cold front means back down to the 40s for Friday and Saturday. Kind of like last week where we cooled off Friday and Saturday, but we're definitely be a lot warmer than where we were as of last weekend, and already by next Monday pushing 60 degrees again. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, might get into the 60s by the middle of next week. Keep an eye on next Tuesday, and then only dropping back down to the 40s from there. So this does not, again, resemble at all a February forecast, much more like March and April. And the 4-degree guarantee just got 1 degree too high today, so Lynn in Poplar Grove wins $13.